how to change name on Facebook. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook, and if you have got multiple accounts, make sure to log into the account of which you want to change the name. After that, you'll be able to see the home page of Facebook. So in order to change the name, you have to first tap on the 3-bar horizontal line in the right upper corner, and from over here you have to tap on the settings option, which is just right next to the search bar in the right upper corner. And after that, you have to go through the personal and account information, which is under the account option. And after that, you'll be able to see the name option, so you have to tap on that. And here you'll be able to see your first name, middle name and last name. This is your current name, so in order to change the name, you have to tap on the text box of the name. So if you want to enter your first name, then you have to tap on the text box, and from over here you can remove and enter your new name. Before doing that, it is said on the note that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters or random words. So it means once you change your name now, then you won't be able to change again for 60 days. So if you are agreed with this, then you can go for review change option. You can also add a nickname or other name in the below. And after doing that, you have to go for review change option. And after that, you have to enter your password for your confirmation in this text box. So you have to tap and enter your password, and after doing that, you have to go for save changes. And after following this simple step, you can change name on Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.